So now we get a little bit of a choice when we're doing our lights. There's two methods of doing lights: the ceiling rose method and the switch through method. So basically is you take your live wire from the consumer unit to either your first switch or your first ceiling rose. If you're doing it the light switch through method, that means you're connecting the neutral in the light switch, which I don't like. I don't think there should be any connector blocks anywhere if you can avoid them. So that's why I use the ceiling rose method, because it totally avoids any connector blocks. So I'll take the live from the consumer unit to the first light fitting. So in which case it's probably going to be this one. Then we'll move on to the spots, the bedroom, the second bedroom, and then finally the bathroom lights. So there we go, up from the consumer unit into the first light, into the second, into the third, fourth and fifth set of lights. And nearly forgot, also in your bathroom you've got to think about your bathroom fan as well, so we'll look how to connect that too. And then what you'll need is every set of lights needs to be connected together. So this light and this light work together, so that'll need a link. These three lights all work together, so they need to be linked. And in your bathroom, these four lights all together, so they'll all be linked. Now this is where the coloured pens come to their own. So from this, we need to connect to the light switch. So from that light, we need to connect to the light switch. And from these lights, we need to connect to the light switch. Similarly, that needs to connect to the light switch. So the pink is going to be 2-core. Now we've got to think about our two-way lights, or intermediate lights in the case of the bedroom. Now I find it helpful to do this different colour, so I know the pink is 2-core, the purple is going to be 3-core. Now because this is a two-way light switch, this needs to connect to the light switch downstairs, so that'll be a 3-core going from the upstairs light switch to the downstairs light switch for the landing lights. Right, nearly forgot. We need to connect that light to the light switch 2. I've kind of gone a bit off piece with the wrong colour there, not to worry. That is also a 2-core. So now we've got two light switches that we need to connect. So we need to connect that to there, and there's two lots of cables because there's two lighting circuits. So this will be your intermediate light switching for this room. Going to the bathroom, whilst the lights don't need any two-way switching, we do need some 3-core going to the fan, because you need a timer overrun on there, so it needs a permanent live and a switch live. So there you go, not quite as straightforward as the sockets. As I say, this is where the colours come in, because I know purple is 3-core, and I know my pinks is 2-core. Now with the pinks, I'm probably going to use brown, and those greens is 2-core, and that's just going to be regular twin and earth. So that helps me when I'm on site. I don't have to sit there thinking what's 3-core, what's 2-core, and I do that all in 1.5 mil. So that'll easily meet all the testing requirements. You probably could get away with 1 mil, but for the sake of a few quid, do it 1.5 and you know you're 100% there. And maybe the last thing to say is, once you've done your wiring diagram, if you want, you can measure out all the cable lengths and buy your cable accordingly. I just buy rolls of it and use it and buy more when I've finished a roll. But what you can do is make a little shopping list. So obviously I've got 8 downlighters, 2 pendants, I've got 3 1-gang 1-ways, 1 2-gang 2-way, 2 1-gang 2-ways, couple of grid switches setups, and I need 7 single gang back boxes to do that. So I know what I need when I'm out shopping. So there you have it. There's a real world example of lighting design. That will go into our current projects. I'm pretty happy with that. I've got videos out there on how to do 1-way, 2-way and intermediate light switchings if you want to take a look. And I hope you found that useful. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks. See you on the next one.